Good morning, all of you, and welcome to this webinar on Introduction on Program in Data Science with the Securities Market. So I am Dr. Miraj Inamdar, faculty in NISM. Along with me, my colleague, Dr. Kirti Arekar, madam. She is also a program director of this data in data sciences. So before asking her to start the introduction of this program, I would like to introduce her. Dr. Kirti Arekar, madam, is currently working with the National Institute of Security Market as a professor, and she has been in teaching, research, training, and consulting in data and statistical science since 2000. Dr. Kirti, madam, worked with the KJ Somaiya Institute of Management, Wellington Institute of Management, and Narsimhanji Institute of Management, Mumbai. She has been visiting faculty with SP Jain Global Institute of Management, Singapore, and Manipal University, Dubai. She has conducted several training programs for corporates like BSc, NSC, BCCI, INS, HAMLA, Lumri, Mahindra & Mahindra, and L&T, etc., based on decision-making, statistics, data analysis, etc., by using several softwares like SPSS, Excel Solver, Megastat, Minitab, SAS, R, Python, SAS, and QM3+, etc. She has 275 research publications in international and national journals. She has presented several research papers in many universities like Harvard University, Manchester, University of Emirates, University of Wellington, and Hull University, etc. She has done PhD in statistics in 2002 and integrated program in business analytics from IIM Indore. She has received an award for best research paper at Inter 3RD International Conference on Global Independent Decision Science Administration Staff of India, Hyderabad, 2008. Best paper award by Global Economic and Finance Journal, Canada, 2013. University of Boston, USA. In 2012, under her guidance, 2 students was awarded PhD degree. She was awarded as the Best Teacher Award for Excellence in Research and Teaching from Higher Education Forum in 2013, has been also awarded fellowship from a World Business Institute, Melbourne, Australia in 2013, and Best Researcher Award in Higher Education from KJ Somaiya Institute of Management, Mumbai, and Best Faculty Award in Teaching Excellence from Bombay Management Association, BMA, in 2019. With this introduction, I'd like to request Dr. Kirti Madam to lead the presentation.
Okay, a very good morning and thank you, Miraj. I think it is a brief introduction. So yes, students, very good morning. Now, what is the flow of this presentation? First, I'm going to give you the introduction of the course, that what are the requirements, what are the eligible criteria, as well as what we will cover. And then after that, we will take all the questions, whatever queries you have, and we both of us will just try to solve all your queries. So I think we can start this course now. We can start this presentation. Let me share the screen. Just a sec. Just wait. Miraj, I think just.
Whatever, madam. Mr. Ganesh, can you help her? Now we are able to see your presentation, madam.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm audible. Hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me convert into the slideshow. Okay, students, let me start with a presentation and then we will take a question answer sessions, and there is a chat box, and then we will open the like whatever the queries you have. Now, this course is, we have introduced this course in a certification program in data science, basically from the security markets. So we divided this course into the two levels. The level 1 will be the certificate program in data science, in which the specialization will be in the security markets, because NISM deals with the financial and the security markets. So we thought of starting the certification course as per the specialization. And the level 2, we will be introducing as an advanced certification program in data science. Now, about NISM, like NISM is a public trust which is established by the SEBI, National Exchange Board of India, the regulator of the security markets. Now here we conduct lot of capacity building activities at various level, and we are trying to address all the courses as well as all the activities related to the security markets and the financial markets. Now we have the 6 schools of excellence which are working together to give the trainings or the education in the security markets. So we have the School of Security Markets. Then we have the School of Certification, where we give them the certifications and all that. Then one more school, third, we have that Regulatory Studies and Supervision, where we conduct some MDPs on the regulatory as well as the training programs. Then we have School of Investor Education and Financial Literacy. And fifth, we have the corporate governance. And one more most important, I think I can say, the school, we have the Securities Information and Research, where we conduct different type of research, as well as we conduct many conferences on different field of security markets, capital markets, or I can say the data science field, or the new technology related themes and the sub themes also we introduce. Now here I can just say the vision of the NISM is to lead, catalyze and deliver education initiative, enhance the quality of the security markets. So we are basically dealing majorly in the security markets by different tools and the technology in the data science course. Even our mission is very clear to engage in capacity building among the stakeholders in the security markets through financial literacy, professional educations we are giving, enhancing governance standards and fostering the policy research. So we are very clear about the vision and mission, and to keeping this mind of vision and mission, we try to introduce this course, which will be majorly dealing with the technology, in application of technology in security markets and the financial markets. Regarding the campus, I can just say NISM is a very huge campus, 72-acre campus near Patal Ganga. If you visited, many of you have maybe visited near when we are traveling to Pune. So it is in Mumbai Express Highway, which is inaugurated by Shri Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, on 24th December 2016. Now in this campus, we have a lot of full-time residential programs, as well as we have postgraduate students. Lot of postgraduate students are staying. We have short-term training programs. We conduct faculty development program for market participants. We conduct many MDPs as well as the training programs with lot of corporates like SEBI, IRS officers, then GST department, etc. So regarding this course, I can just say this data science course, we had planned to divide it into the two categories. So the first category, we are concentrating on the basic, and the second level, we are concentrating on the advanced. The reason for this is like we observed in the market nowadays, a lot of data we are dealing. And in the security market, basically, we are dealing with a lot of data with the market as well as mutual funds and other bond market. So here, actually, to just use the technology and how to interpret the data, how to analyze the data, how to make a decision making based on different product and the services. So here we are just concentrating on the functional requirement of the decision making based on the different data. Now, this program we have designed in the interdisciplinary field of study, where you will understand the concept, or you can understand the collaboration of technology and finance, technology and security markets both. So we are trying to give you the courses which will be like the application of the technology tools in the security markets and the financial market. Now, during your study, maybe you have to work in the teams. Sometimes you have to work independently to work under or to analyze the financial and the security market by using different technologies. Faculties will be giving you the different projects based on their this subjects based on their whatever the concepts they are teaching in the class. Now, the first program, which I can just say that is a level 1, which is the basic. The basic level is designed for those students, those who do not have the technical background, but yes, they can manage with some coding. So this initially basic program is to give you the idea about that what is data science, what is the application of data science in security markets, how you can perform the small data analysis, how the data analysis tools you will use to perform the data analysis in the security market. And some coding is there, but it's not so difficult. You will not understand because it is a basic course. So we will just tell you that how to extract the data from the Excel to different type of the technology or Python. So this course will be basically concentrate on the basic subjects. So I can just recommend that this course is best for the students who just want to switch their careers and they just want to understand that what are the criteria, what are the basic knowledge of data science tools and technologies. And you will get some hands-on experience, or you will get hands-on training working with a real world databases as well. So we are trying to connect our technology with the tools with the real world databases, where we will show that how we will build the small basic models in this level. And we will be trying to build a job ready in the different field of data science portfolios, data science, data scientist, as well as we can say financial analyst. So by this basic tools, they can just do their work in the financial market at the initial level, and they can start their work by taking different financial, mutual fund data, bond market data, and rest all the field. The second level is the program in data science, which is basically concentrated on the advanced portfolios, where we want to understand in-depth knowledge, because there are the two pillars. The first pillar is you will understand the basic things which will be used in the data science. Then we will just try to link it with the advanced course, which you will have the in-depth knowledge of data science in security markets. Now, in this course, basically, we are giving more application. In the basic course also, we are giving application, but in advanced course, we will be also giving more application based in the field of financial markets. So in the advanced course, we are trying to concentrate on the more advanced analytical tools like machine learning, deep learning, financial econometrics, introduction of big data, and many other courses. So this two level, first level and the level 2 will those who will complete, maybe they are having the good knowledge of the basic data science course as well as the advanced programming, or I cannot say programming, but advanced modeling and all that part, which will be the application oriented. Now, basically the admission process, the eligible criteria for this, the minimum educational requirement is the 12th standard with minimum 60% marks and I think maths as a subject from any recognized board. Or if you are graduate, then also you can apply to get the idea about this course from any recognized university. Now, regarding the program duration, the level 1, which is the basic level, we have online live sessions, which will be in 6 months. And the second level, advanced certification, we will complete in 8 months. Again, the advanced level will be again online live session only. These are the program structure for the level 1. in the program structure, we are trying in the basic level, the 170 hours of teaching. Not only the teaching, we can say the 170 hours of learning through online sessions. Sometimes we will have the tutorials, we will have the practical sessions, as well as we will involve the corporate people, those who are doing the good job in the analytical as well as the financial market. They will come and they will share their experience that how this data science is used in the corporate life as well as in the financial market and the security markets. So we can have some guest session in between. And we had a plan that while between these courses, we will have some session to help the students that what type of profile they can go, and in each profile what type of job is available. So that way we can call some guest faculties as well as our internal faculties also will take some sessions to give you the idea about that what is the market, what in the market, what are the tools available, what are the job profile you have, what is the objective of each job profile and all that. So basically we tried to complete it in 170 hours, where all these things we will try to cover. In the level 1, in the basic level, we have total 9 courses we had planned, where we will start with the introduction to security markets, mathematics, statistics. Now, just don't get into like the mathematics is I know for all the students, mathematics and statistics are a tough subject, but here we are not teaching so in-depth mathematics and statistics, but just a basic knowledge of maths and stats, because this maths and stats will help you to develop the further models or further application in security and financial markets. Then we have spreadsheet also for data analysis, where you will get the Excel as well as the advanced Excel, through which we will teach you how to analyze the data. Then we have data visualization, where we will give you the graphical representation of the qualitative and the numerical data by using the different tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Python and R. Then we have a basic R analytics, that how R software is used in security markets, how R will help you to build the model. But the coding, the coding is not so difficult. It's the easy basic level codings we will teach you in the level 1. Then we have a programming in Python. And then at the last, we have the most important is the trading simulation. So maybe after my session, I think Professor Miraj will give you some inputs on this trading simulation, what exactly it is. Now, in the level 2, again, we had planned for 200 hours of session, same with the lectures, tutorials, and the practice session. But here we will be introducing some like advanced subjects like machine learning foundation, then machine learning practice and techniques, introduction of deep learning, financial econometric, time series, big data. Then we have fintech concept, algorithm trading, and financial modeling. Now the tools here, we will be using the same R, Python, Power BI, but we will just try to some more tools like Hadoop, Hive, Pig, and Tableau. We will try to introduce. Now, in level 1 and level 2, all these courses, some of the courses may be from minimum 10 hours to some 15 hours to 20 hours as well. So according to the requirement, we will see how we will, but the total will be the fix. In level 1, we have 170, and the level 2 will be your 200 hours. Now, regarding the program assessment, now here the program, all the faculties, those who are teaching, the performance of the participant is assessed by the continuous evaluation. So suppose any faculty is taking one subject, so he will be giving you the quizzes, submissions, and the projects, sometime assignments, and all the requirement of the evaluation, or I can say there will be the different form of evaluation, which will be decided by the faculties. And at the end, when you finish your basic level program, the participants will get the grades and the certification of the completion of the basic level. After that, at the end of this program, once same with the advanced level also, once you finish that, same you will get the certification of completion of advanced level. So when you finish your basic level, level 1, you will get a certification in basic level. And when you finish level 2, you will get a certification in advanced level. During this advanced level, we had a plan that students who attend, we will ask the students, those who are interested, they can visit and attend 2-day workshop, training, or some more guest sessions we will arrange physically in NISM Patalganga campus. But that will be during the advanced level 2, not in the basic. Regarding the program schedule, we have fully online mode where the faculty will take the sessions online on the platform like Zoom or any other platform. We will think about that. The days which we decided as Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. So Tuesday, Thursday, there will be 2-hour session. We will have 15 minutes break. And on Saturday and Sundays, we have 3-hour session each. Only one session will be there on Saturday and one session will be there on Sunday. For the selection criteria, we had planned for the basic level, we have the screening test. On the basis of the screening test, you will get selected. The students, those who are completed their basic level, they are directly eligible for advanced level and they can directly move to the advanced level. But student, those who are opting for the advanced level directly without basic level, they have to undergo separate screening test will be there. And the syllabus for the advanced level, we will inform you in before when we will start. The screening test for the basic level, we have found, we identified the 5 topics: number system, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, and elementary statistics and data interpretation. This test will be online again. There will be 60 minutes. We have 30 questions and no negative marking in this. But yes, those who finish their basic, they can directly move to the advanced for next level. And those who want to go for the advanced level, they have to undergo through one screening test. Now, how to apply? The candidates, those who want to apply, there is a registration link is there. Once you finish your registration, you will get user ID and the password, and then your application process will get start. So you have to pay the payment of 500 rupees at the initial stage when you are submitting your application. The program fees for the basic level, the total fees is 49,200, where the tuition fee is 40,000 and the 18% GST will be there. You have an alumni fund of 2,000 because after completion of certification of basic and advanced, you will be the alumni of NISM. And the due date, when you receive your offer letter, within 7 days, you have to pay your fees and the payment you have to make out. Second level, we have decided the fees of 70,800 and the breakup is same GST 18%, total 70,800 they have. Now in this advance, those students, those who opt for the 2 days program in NISM campus, so all the lodging and the boarding charges will be take care by the NISM Patalganga campus, but your traveling and rest all the extra things the students has to pay by their own pocket. Regarding the refund fee, entire fee including the application fee is non-refundable in any circumstances. So please, you should be very careful while doing this course, while deciding these courses. As well as the important dates for the basic, we will be starting with the basic. The start date of the application is 30th June. Last date of application is 31st. Now the screening test will be held on 6th August and it will be on the weekend only. Declaration of the merit list 11th and then the program will start from 5th September. If you have any query information, you can just call on this email ID you have. And if you want to visit our NISM campus, website is already there. So all these things you will cover. Regarding the attendance, I can prefer if you will attendance, yes, 75% attendance is compulsory because I always prefer that this course is basically dealing with the technology and the tools. So if you miss any one session, so maybe it's very difficult to move further because you have to visit the first previous sessions and all that. Second thing is most important that this course is for 6 months. So we are giving the students next 6 months, the first 6 months. So you will be having the you can just access all the video recordings and all that for next 6 months. So next 6 months will be there available for you, that you can visit, you can just see the lectures, you can again do some practice sessions and all that. So for first 6 months will be the basic. After that, you have a 6 months time to just see the recordings and whatever the study material you can access in the next 6 months. But after that, we will not able to continue, but only the 6 months, yes, for the basic 6 months, and next 6 months we will be giving you the chance to give, we will giving you the access to all the study material. So I think, thank you so much. I think Professor Miraj will give you some more, I think, description about the trading and the algorithm trading, whatever the lab is available. He will introduce something on that. He will just give you some idea, and then we will start with the question answer session. Yes, I think Dr. Miraj, you can just continue.
Thank you, madam. So as madam has said that it is application-based program and we are going to use technology and tools. So one of the aspects of the NISM is the trading simulation. It's a very exclusive part of the NISM. Whereas you are seeing that securities market, one of the aspects of the security market is trading and investment. So this simulation will provide you a software where you can trade and also test your strategies. So the strategy related to the technical analysis, strategies related to the options market and your portfolio, you can test on that software. The software is very similar to the what the dealers generally use for their investment and their order management and all. So here we are getting feeds, some few second delayed feed from the National Stock Exchange (NSE) on various asset classes. So as this program is online program, we have a physical lab here. But for this online program, we will send you a .exe file. So you can download that exe file with you. And we will teach you first all the basic concept. The thing is that, see, whatever you are learning in statistics and other subjects, you come through this trading room or simulation lab, and you can practice it and you experiment it. For example, this Bollinger Band in technical analysis is based on the standard deviation. MACD is based on the second order moving average derivatives, and then RSI is non-parametric indices. So this kind of the statistical application you can check through this trading simulation, and also do the back testing, which is also very important. Is what we are learning. It's working in with the past data or not. So this lab with you since the beginning of the course and till the end of the course, you will have the exclusive access of this lab, and you can practice this one. So that's about this trading simulation lab. So now for further queries, I would like to ask Madam Twilight. Yes, ma'am. Over to you.
Yeah, so what I suggest, those who have the queries, please raise your hand. So our IT department will unmute you, and then we can discuss the queries and the question answer session, whatever we have. So yes, Ganesh, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, so just take care of the student, those who have raised the hand for the
Meanwhile, we
queries.
have one question, madam, from the chat box. And can we manage it with our ongoing job schedule?
Yes, you can manage, because it is online course, as well as you have the recording session. You can just see the recording session later on. But only the thing is, the most important, whatever the assignments and the like case studies or any assignments are given by the faculty, you have to take care of the deadlines, whatever the faculty will inform you, so that you can just take care. Yes, Amit, I think you have some question.
Next question is, what are the timings of the sessions?
Okay, timings, already we decided that we will be having the session on Tuesday and Thursday, 7 to 9. And then we will be taking the session on Saturday, Sunday, which will be 6 to 9. And Sunday, it will be 10 to 1.
Amit Singh would like to ask.
Yes.
So can you unmute Amit Singh? What are the career opportunities after this course?
Okay, I think Pragati, already you are working in a business analyst is a ICICI bank. So I think it is useful for you because we are taking the recent tools and the technologies like data visualization or business intelligence or business analytics application, how it is used in a security and the financial market, even in the banking sector, how we will analyze the data, how we will build the model. So I think it is more useful for you because you can relate all the models with your current job, or like you can just take the project based on that also. It will very helpful for you. So what is the starting and ending dates of the course? Yes, the starting date is already September 1st week. That is the 6th September we are going to start. And the end day, maybe we will just introduce, but it will be for 6 months. So we will inform you according to that.
So, Krishna Kumar, yes, please ask.
Yes, Krishna Kumar, I think you raised the hand. So please, IT department, Ganesh, he is on unmute, Krishna Kumar.
Yeah,
Okay,
just a
yes,
minute.
Krishna Kumar, just can you just
Hi,
ask?
hi, madam. Last year, I see this program name is different, the postgraduate, and you are giving that university certification, 14 months
Correct,
programs. But this
correct.
time, you have changed it to divided into two parts, basic and
Hmm.
system. Is there any difference between last year's and this year?
No difference. I can just say there is like last year we have this course offline. So where we observed like many of the students, those who are really want to join this course, but they are not giving, they are not having the time to come and visit Mumbai for the sessions and all that. So that's why we had planned to make it more application based, as well as like we want to just like for the student, those who are working, they can, or those who are not working, they can easily sit at the home and they can just attend the course. But there is no difference. So offline course, yes, offline course itself is a different, but yes, the syllabus and the maybe courses will be same only. But the advantage in this basic and the basic level and the advanced level, that you will get the recording, as well as at home you can do many other project, you can like take care of your job and all that things.
I have two more questions here.
Yeah, tell
Can I
me.
ask? Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
the first question is, so you told that there are several tools, applications you are going to teach us, okay? Like Power BI, Tableau, R analyticals and all those things. So is it possible that we can also install in our system, or how it will?
Yeah, we will
It's
be
free for us?
correct. Yeah, Krishna Kumar, Tableau and Power BI, we are taking the student version. So we will try to give you the online access for that. For that, when we'll start this course for, suppose if it is for 10 to 20 hours, so we will give the access for both the softwares. So that will be remote access will be provided. So that is there.
Okay. So, okay.
Sridhara,
I'm not
Yeah, I think Dr. Miraj wants to just give some inputs on this as
so,
well. Yes, Miraj, you
sure,
can
sure.
just say.
so Krishna Kumar, sorry to interrupt you. So there is another query related to Sridhara Rao. He's asking about that he's working in a dealing department. So how it is working, this program will helpful for them. So see here, we are mostly our data sets are related to the securities market, and see dealing, you need to know that the what are the various methodology behind the various techniques. So definitely you will get lots of insight related to the methodology, data analysis methodology, which can very much helpful for you in your broking operations or your trading operations.
Yes, I think one question I just saw that what is the completion marks or the what are the grades and the marks? So the passing marks and the grades will be decided by the individual faculty when they are taking the assignments, in what form they are taking the assignments. But yes, the total 100 marks will be fixed, but how it will be get assessed, what are the, some faculty will give you the projects, some faculty will give you some group assignments. So it is based on the faculty, and based on the assigned assessment, we will just, based on the assessment given by the faculty, we will give the grades.
Ma'am, another question, can we apply directly to the advanced level?
Okay, for the advanced level, yes, you can apply, but yes, for the advanced level, if you are direct directly applying for the advanced level, you have to undergo through the like a screening test, one thing. And second thing is like we will be starting that advanced level after the basic. So but we had a plan, so I will just ask like the admission committee if they can just give you the option, that because we will see if the maximum students for the advanced level, so we will think about whether to start the course or not. But yes, after 6 months we are going to start the advanced level, and in that you have to give the screening test if you are not completing the basic. But if you completed the basic, no screening test is required.
And Omkar is asking how it is different than AI course.
See, in the AI is not a course. Actually, AI is one of the application of data science only. So in the AI also, we had a plan to introduce some of the models in the AI, because if you are saying AI course, so those institute, those who are giving the AI courses, they have their it is not a specialized course. It will come under the like data science course only. So AI is like, it's more towards the like business intelligence and the IT and the business analytics, as well as the combination of data science models, which will be like we are teaching in that what are the, how to create the desktops, like that other things will be covered in that.
And Amit Singh is asking about how it is this certificate is different than NISM mandatory certificates.
I think Miraj, you can take this question.
Oh, okay. So see, mandatory questions is by the SEBI, who have mandatory it for the to become a market participant or to get the license. But this program is the certificate program, and this certificate is issued by the NISM only.
Yes.
Yeah, and
Now,
this is not a mandatory kind of the SEBI kind of the certificate. This is an NISM certificate.
Now, regarding the career path, I think one question from Sahil, that what are the career path would be available after completion of advanced level in financial sector. Regarding the career path, I already informed in both the levels. We will try to call the guest speaker, those who will help you to like identify that what profile you should go, what is your background, and what is the job profile objective. What usually, suppose if I'm saying data scientist, what data scientists do in the corporate, what are the requirement in the corporate. So we will call the guest speaker to help you in that. So that will maybe the career path. Then you can choose your career path according to that, because you will get the certificate. So you can, which profile you should go and all that. So all the like corporate peoples we will guest sessions, guest speaker will help you in that. Even our internal faculties will also like tell you about the things, what are the job prospects available or career path is available after both the certifications.
Okay,
Yes.
Deepak is asking how it is different than MDP, and he has went through this program. So this program is a data science program. So here you will learn all the aspects of the data science in part 1 and part 2. So this is different than the FNO program.
Hello,
Okay.
good afternoon. Hello, good
Yeah.
afternoon.
Good
Yeah,
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Go ahead. Good afternoon.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so that we can directly opt the advanced module. So what kind of training takes, and when I will get notification for advanced module that you are going to start, and what are the training takes? Can you briefly
Yeah,
describe?
Purvil, yes, Purvil, thank you for your question. So for the advanced level, the syllables for the screening test will be we will just post it in within next 2 weeks. Maybe we will post it for the syllables for the screening test for advanced. And regarding the timings and deadlines when to fill the application, maybe in next 1 month, we will just give you the dates and the application dates and the last date to, so we will paste it in the next 1 month. Next 1 month, we will just put it in our website.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Purvil. Yeah.
Placement and internship opportunity. So this program doesn't contain an internship and also a placement. Okay. So we are not providing the placement internship assistance for this program. This is a certificate program.
Yes, Deepak, I think you have some question.
Hi, ma'am. Sometime what happens is like due to meetings, we may not be able to attend sessions. So the recorded sessions will be available
Yes,
within some
yes,
time.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Deepak, as informed earlier, that the recording sessions and all the sessions, all the study material will be available with you after once you finish the course. Also, after that, also this is available for next 6 months. That's not
Okay.
an issue.
Okay. I have one more query.
Yeah,
ma'am.
Deepak.
I do trading actually. So will it have some additional benefit by attending this course?
Definitely, Deepak. So if you are in a cash market or a FNO market, so here we have this trading simulation lab. So you can learn the back testing, how to do that. And also we have the various option strategies, at what time that option strategy you can use, so that you can understand. And also you will see that what is the back end of the various technical tools, whether it is the volume indicators or price indicators or any other indicators. So we will also discuss the back end of that, what is the methodology and the strength of that indicators. So
Okay, it's
definitely
like how it is calculated and the related.
yeah, how it is calculated and which theory it is based on,
Mhm.
and what is the limitations of it. So all this we are going to discuss.
Okay, okay. Thanks, sir. Thanks, ma'am.
And I
Yeah,
think it
thank
is
you.
so this all the application through this simulation you will learn.
Okay, I understand. Thanks.
And we have the lot of experienced faculty, so they will also help you like how to build the further model as well. So I think it will be a wonderful thing if you already have the experience in trading. So maybe you can relate it very easily then.
Yes, ma'am.
That
That's why I
case.
was asking.
Yeah,
The
Deepak.
only problem is during working days, our office closes at 9 o'clock. So
No problem. You can just on the weekend, you can just see the recording sessions. But only the thing is you take care of your assignments because the deadline for that will be decided by the faculty and you have to be very like disciplined in that manner
Yeah.
because if you will not finish the assignments because that is the evaluation process for us.
Yes, ma'am. But what is
Okay.
the compulsory attendance, ma'am? You were mentioning some percentage.
Actually, if you have 20 sessions, we expect that 75% if the attendance is better. Otherwise, if suppose if you have any issue, but so that we can see later on because I don't want like at this moment though we can't say anything. But yes, 75% attendance is compulsory. So better because this course is like application or more technical. So if you miss any one session or two session, then it will be very difficult for you to cover up the full subject.
Yes,
So please take care because anyways you are going for certification. So you have to be very prompt in that way.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. Understand.
And second more thing, I just always say that this course means whatever we will be teaching in the class is not available in any books or YouTube videos. Nothing is, no videos are available. Why? Because I think this is more application based. So faculties are like giving their experience that how the tools and technology are used in the market.
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Okay.
Thank you.
Aryan is asking is a post-graduation certification. This is a certification. After 12th also you can do, and after graduation also you can do. It's not postgraduate diploma course. It's a certification course. Who else? Vikas, do you want to ask anything?
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Vikas.
Vikas, go ahead.
First of all, I want to thank you guys for making this course online because I was following up for this course from last 1 year and I see it was offline. It was a bit concern for me to attend it offline, but thanks for you guys to making it online. And my question is like for first of all for the advanced level, you say once we finish this course, and if let's suppose we finish the basic course and we have the certification, so when would be the next session for the advanced level? Is it like we need to wait for 6 months, or it will be just once you complete within after a few months you can start the advanced level?
Yeah, yes, so because we had a plan that we will start this because if we receive the good application in advance course, so
Okay.
maybe we are planning that we will start as soon as possible. So let's see, because suppose if we are getting 2-3 applications, so it will be
Okay.
very difficult to start the advanced level. So we had a plan, suppose if we get a good application, because that's advanced course application we will be launching maybe next 2 weeks, we will display in
Okay.
our website. So we will see if we receive good application for advanced. So we will just start it in 2-3 months. Otherwise, we will wait for till the basic finish, because all the basic students will directly promote it to the advanced. Then we will have a good number in the class then.
Okay. So means once the basic is finished, there would be a advanced course just after the basic.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
After the basic, because simultaneously we don't want, because there is
Yeah.
a link between basic and advanced. As you learn whatever in the basic, that you will be taking further for the advanced.
Okay. Okay. And one
Okay.
more thing, like how many applications would be eligible for the basics? Like, is there any specific range? Like after that, there won't be.
No, we have not yet decided. We
Okay.
will see later on. Let us check how many
Okay.
application comes till 30th. So we have not yet decided about that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Actually,
thank-
I was working in fintech market company from like 9 years, and I just
Wow, great.
yeah. So I was mainly in the treasury department. I'm
Mhm.
handling the treasury application. So I just want to move the analytics side. So
Wow.
that's why I just want to have.
Yeah, so because this course will be, yes, really helpful, because you will get the job prospects as well, and you will understand what are the like analytical tools. Basically, we will concentrating more on that as well.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. Thank you.
Venkata is asking about the screening test and study notes. So see, Venkata, so for the part one, the screening test is based on the numbers system, profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest, formula-based exercise if you do, and it is up to the elementary, means +2 level of the mathematics and mathematics if you cover. So this test will be easy for you. So, and here we will also cover elementary statistics like a descriptive statistic and data interpretation for the part one.
Okay, Pragati have the question like, will be the project implementation during the course or just the teaching course? Yes, Pragati, the faculty, those who are teaching the course, suppose if I'm taking the statistics course, definitely I will be giving you some project for the evaluation. And yes, you can mention in your project that during the course we did this project. So yes, there is the possibilities. Yes, we will be providing the recording session for the intro, but I want to share with my colleagues. So I basically think if you want the recording session, that is for your use. What your colleagues will do, that I am not sure about that.
Madam, again, Krishna Kumar.
Yes, Krishna Kumar, tell me.
Yeah, see, I also do the trading, but how far it is going to help me in this one? Because this data taking from OA or volume based, if I go for Zerodha tool or some other tool, they are already it is there. But how I am going to write on all those things in my own? How will I get the data? Because they will be paid data, right? Zerodha and all those things.
Okay.
People.
Okay, Krishna Kumar, I feel like in the Zerodha, the data, what you are getting, or in the Bloomberg terminals, you are getting the outputs. You are not getting how to do the analysis. So suppose if I will give you the stock market data, and if I will ask you to build the model and do the analysis and do the interpretation, maybe the Zerodha and all that will not help you. But in this course, we are practically taking the online data, and then we will give you the application. We will give you how to develop the model, how to interpret, and how to relate it with a business problem. So in that way, it is different from all the different sites from Zerodha and other Bloomberg terminals and all that, because they have their outputs only and they are interpreting the output. But the most important in this course, you should be understand that how the data analysis tools you will apply and what are the tools available. Because the major challenge in the market is the students are not aware how to apply the model and which tools we can, or what model we can use for different type of data. If Professor Miraj, if you would like to add some more things in this.
Yeah, madam has already given the insight what your query is. But see, in trading, especially when you are seeing the indicator, so every indicator has its limitations. Okay, if you're using moving average, so it will be violated by the outlier. So how it is impacting, why it is calling as a leading or lagging indicators? What is the limitations of that? In which condition you can apply? So if you know better how it is working and methodological wise and statistical based assumption, if you can understand, so your insight about the trading will increase. And definitely here, the bulky data, we are not using any tick by tick data for the analysis, we are not using. But the publicly available data about the closing prices, what the exchanges are giving. So you can download in Excel or R and you can generate your own indicator also. So there are various packages in R and Python where you can create your own indicator, or you can create already available indicator as well. So
Okay.
I hope.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, IT department, can you just, there are a lot of hands raised by the students. So can you just, yes, Amit, I think. Yes, Amit.
Good afternoon. Am I audible to both of you?
Just, can you be a little louder, Amit?
Okay, okay. Am I audible to both of
Yes,
you?
yes, yes.
Yeah,
Now
yeah,
Yes,
you are
yeah.
yes,
audible,
ma'am.
Amit. Thank you
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much.
Good afternoon to both of you.
Good
And
afternoon.
yeah, congratulations for starting such a state-of-the-art technological program in the fintech. Madam, I have got one doubt.
Yeah.
One thing is that I'm a faculty in the institute. So
Hmm.
how much this certification is going to help me for the career, particularly in the research of that security and all that?
Okay, so Amit, I feel that as we are moving ahead in the research, so a lot of
Yeah.
technologies came up, but as a
Yeah.
researchers, they are facing the challenge that they have a lot of data, but they don't know how to make the objectives, how to apply the techniques. So maybe
Mm.
this course will give you the application. So maybe like suppose if you have thought of doing the comparative study between public and private sector bank, so how to analyze the data, what different type of data is available in the market, how to collect the data, how to analyze, how to apply the model. So maybe
Mm.
yes, as per your career path, this this course will be more useful because this is more research oriented as well, because
Mm.
application based, if it is application based, so it will be related with the research oriented as well. So it will help you in the research related activity, as well as you are in the teaching firm. So maybe if you want to take some courses by your own, so just learn
Yeah.
here and then you can teach by your own some
Yeah.
2-3 days course, or you can take some classes on that, and you can also
Yeah.
introduce some of the module by your own if you are confident after getting this certification.
Okay, do we have any system of collaborating with the NISM for these courses to start at our university?
At this moment, though, we don't have, but maybe in future we can plan about that, because see, NISM is a SEBI entity, so I
Yeah.
think we don't require any collaboration. SEBI itself is a very big organization and very stable, the collaborative organization for us.
Okay, okay, madam. One more thing is that we are going through so many of the latest tools like Tableaus and all that, and but these tools will be required for further also in the future also for practicing on it. So what about that licensing and all that? Because we have already you are going to set up a alumni fund for that. So can
Uh,
this fund be useful for us to take the advantage of these tools and the
Okay,
latest stuff?
so Amit, regarding the Tableau, I think I don't know whether you are aware. So once you get the email ID of student email ID from any organization or any institute, so maybe the Tableau have the option that you can like use that Tableau for 1 year to 2 years by using that student ID. So that's
Okay,
not an
okay,
issue. And regarding the Power BI, yes, if you have a MS Office login, so Power BI is also the free version. You can use many tools. 80% of the tools are free and you can use by not getting any license version, which will
okay,
solve your purpose. So it's not so big task. And R and Python is the open source. So there is no, I
okay,
think you know that.
okay, okay, madam. One last question is that can we have a system of deferred payment?
Uh,
Deferred payment for enrolling with the advanced level and basic level.
so deferred payment,
No.
Amit, can you
The
just
deferred
elaborate?
payment means not giving all the entire fees in a one shot.
Actually, Amit, we are not going for that option, because I observed in my previous experience that the students are paying some initial amount and then they are leaving the course. And after that, they are asking for the certification without attending any session. So
Mm.
basically, this course, we want to be more disciplined, that if the students can pay the full fees, so that is a human being nature, that if you are paying
Yeah.
the fee, then you will be more disciplined and you will attend the session very like seriously. But in many option previously we have a experience that the students pay some 10 to 20,000 and then after that they leave the course, they don't attend the session, and later on they ask for the certification. So we don't want that type of culture, because as an institute, NISM is a academic and the corporate like experience this one. So we don't want to go for that.
Okay, madam. Can any student who is passed 12th class without mathematics, is he or she is eligible to join this course? Because if you, as you mentioned that the 12th up to 12th maths is compulsory.
Yeah, that's true. So maybe for the I think no, we are not allowing the student those who don't have the maths background in 12th. But yes, if they did some graduation or they have some basic course of mathematics, if they learn in the graduation or something, some degree in the mathematics, or maybe in the graduation they have some subject of mathematics, so they can go for that.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
And Madam Venkata is asking about the recording. See, Venkata, this program is already relaying in the LinkedIn NISM LinkedIn account. And also, I think very soon it will be also available in NISM Academy YouTube channel. So you can share the recording from there.
Yeah, Darshan.
Hi, ma'am. Actually, I was going through the FAQ PDFs which we have provided on the portal. So there I have, so basically there I saw that during the advanced level of program, the students can attend two-way workshop physically in physically in NISM Patal Ganga campus. So what would be would be there like?
Okay, Darshan, actually we had a plan that you will get the opportunity to be in the NISM to see the campus, as well as if we have a simulation lab, we have a trading lab, algo trading lab. So you will get some like 2-3 hours of session there, as well as we had a plan that we can call some guest session to give their practical experiences, as well as we will think like we can have some say PSC or NSC visit also we can plan in that 2 days. So a lot of activities we have thought we will cover in that 2 days things. So maybe guest sessions will be there, then you can just sit on the trading simulation lab and you can do like you can learn practically offline as well. So that, and you can just roam in the campus, we can have some visit to NSC or BSc, we can plan that as well. And other activities also we had a plan, but at this moment I'm not like we are trying to do some more exercises or some more activities in that.
Okay, but it will be there or it will not be there? Like
it will be there in the NISM campus. You will get lodging and boarding will be taken care by NISM, but yes, you are traveling and rest other expenses you have to bear that expenses.
Yeah, that's fine. So and one more question. So is there any financial aid provided for this course?
Actually, Darshan, I am not sure about that at this moment. So I will just maybe post this. If you can post this question to our admission team, we will just try to give you the answer regarding, because I have to just like take a discuss this thing with the finance department.
Okay, fine, no problem. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Darshan. Yeah.
Pancham. Revti. Revti, do you want to
Revti,
ask
yes,
anything?
yes. I think Revti, just go ahead. Yes, Revti, are you there?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just go ahead.
I'm from medical background, ma'am. Will this course will be useful for medical professionals also?
Yes, anyways, if you just see in the medical terms, also a lot of technology and tools of like AIN is used. So maybe once you learn this course, maybe you can relate this thing with your medical firm. So because this basic course is basically the general basic course where we will teach that how to analyze the data. So that you can take by taking the medical data, and then you can analyze and build the model. So it will be anyways helpful. Because data science is the tool and technology where we have lot of applications will be in the various area nowadays. So yes, I can say it will be helpful, but yes, I think you are in the medical term, so you can easily relate this tools and technology with your studies and with your data.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Job opportunity. Can I get job opportunity from technical side? I don't have technical background. If I will do this course, after finishing this, can I get from technical side?
Yes, see now in India, if I can observe, there are only 10, if you can just see if you can read some reports, there are 12% students are available for data analytics, data analysis, as well as financial analytics, as well as data scientists. So a lot of opportunities are there. Now the big industries like Infosys, big IT industries, they are looking for the student, those who can do something on the data science area. So anyways, this data science prospects is very huge in India at this moment, because we have only 12% of the candidates or the students or the respondents, those who work in this field. So you have the huge data job prospect in this. That's not an issue nowadays, I feel. But only the certification is required because without learning anything, you can't do and move to the technical background.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Revati. Yes. I think we can take last 3 questions. Yes, Miraj, it's already 12:05.
Yeah, anybody, those who want to ask, then please raise the hand.
And we had a plan of taking one more webinar, maybe after 1 week or maybe next week. And maybe then you have the opportunity to ask questions there. As well as if you have any questions, you can raise to our admission committee, and maybe we will try to solve that queries as well.
And for the further insight about the program, you have the brochure. So there also the structure is given. The frequently asked question is also uploaded on the website. You can refer that. Still, if you have a query, you can send to our admission team. But madam, I think that maximum question we have covered so far.
Actually, maximum questions we are covered. But yes, any extra questions, if you are not able to, then maybe you can connect our admission team. They will just, then we will try to solve your queries at that time as well. And we are planning to have a weekly webinar. So next week also we had a plan of the one more webinar that like what are the prospects available in the market in the data science. So we are trying to call some guest speaker for that. Yes, Krishna Kumar, I think you already asked many questions. Can we give the opportunity to other students to ask?
Last question, madam.
Yeah.
Madam, actually, you told that one more webinar session you are going to. Is it one more webinar you are going to
yes.
arrange it, right? Is it possible that you can give some examples how that this is going to be, the program going to be, one example kind of thing?
I'm not getting your question, Krishna Kumar.
You are telling that that model he will be built with this.
See, Krishna Kumar, actually in this webinar, we are giving the basic things. If we introduce the models and all that, there are many other students, those who don't know the basic things about that. So this webinar will be the general webinar where we will give the idea about the course, what are the prospects available, what are the things we are going to do. But regarding the models, what are the models available, what type of model we will teach, I think it is a too in-depth. So that automatically you will get once you will enroll for this course. Okay. Yeah, recording is correct. Yeah. Yes, last 3 questions, I think anyone can just ask now.
Vinay?
Yes, Vinay?
Go ahead.
Yeah, just want to know, like if I want to build my algos based on the strategies, will this course help me also?
See, the part 1 of this course will teach you about what are the different strategies and the introduction. Because in part 1 level, we have lots of people, those who have first time experiencing the trading and that. So in part 1, you are not expecting that we are directly going to the algos. But second level, when you are seeing the Python coding and modeling. So in that, you can incorporate the various strategies and it's algo testing.
Okay, good. Thanks.
Thank you, Vinay. Yeah. Yes, last 2 questions, please, because already it's 12:10. So maybe keep your question for the next webinar as well. So we can take last 2 questions and then we can just wind up the session. Yeah, Darshan?
I'll ask quickly. So in the basic model, I see that trading simulation is there. So, is there any like so let's suppose I want to deploy my model into the live market. Will that be covered in this topic or not? Like deploying on the AWS or any other platform, kind of. Will that be
No.
covered or not?
See, Darshan, this is not API-based software what we are using. This is GUI, graphical user interface kind of the software. So here we have already built in strategies. So that strategy you can test.
Okay.
If you want to make your own and then to connect through the API to your trading system, then I think part 2, there you will get programming and modeling of the different thing. But
Okay,
exclusively on that in part 1, you can't expect, because part 1 is for the everybody, those who have experience or mostly those who don't have the experience, first time experiencing the securities market.
Okay, but in part 2, it that will be covered, right? Like deploying our own strategy on the live market.
And Darshan, see, this course is about the data science, okay, not about the exclusively about the algo creation. One of the part is that you will get the experience, you will do the experiment in that our trading simulation lab. Okay, and this software, we have customized this software. This is not the code-based software. This is the GUI-based software.
Got it. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes, Dayanand.
Hello, ma'am. Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Dayanand. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, actually, the question was if there is any, bank tie-ups for a non-cost EMI facility, as you told, student will be paying upfrontly a total fee to the bank, but it will be, arranged in a way that it will be a EMI facility, no-cost EMI facility, which will be very convenient for the students. I mean, I understand it may not be feasible right now, but can the NISM think about that in future? If it can be tied up, it will be very convenient for the students. Thank you.
Sure, Dayanand, that's a good suggestion. We can just plan out that we can. Okay. Yeah, Amita.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Hello.
afternoon. Basically, I'm not from finance background. So if I start with this basic course, will it be problematic for me? Like I have an idea about accounts and a little bit of finance thing, but I'm not very, as I'm from science background, so you can understand I don't have much idea about it.
So Amita, I think if you don't have any finance knowledge, I think not it's required for this course basic. Why? Because anyways, if you are talking about the data is same in finance and everywhere. So only the tools what we are teaching, that is most important. So it's not like if you don't have the finance background, so if you are worried that how I will cope off, it's not that. Basic course, we are just teaching that what are the basic concepts available in the data science course. So initially, this is I can say the first pillar of your data scientist to become a data scientist or data analyst. So finance knowledge is not so much is required, but yes, what we are taking more application of finance majorly.
And Amita, in addition to Madam's comment, we have also one exclusive module on the introduction of the securities market. So we will get the introduction of the securities market through that.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Amita. Yes, I think hope we tried to cover up maximum queries and the questions. So I can just recommend that those who have the questions and those are not solved, so maybe you can just send the queries to the admission team. So we will revert back to you. And we are looking for one more webinar next week. So we will just like that information, we will post it on our website as soon. And regarding the advanced screening test, what are the syllables and what are the deadlines, that maybe that also we will post it in next 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, so I think Miraj, we can wind up now. So thank you so much, students, and looking forward to see you in the class, and all the best.
Yeah, all the best, all of you. Thank you.